Yep. Hey, cute couple.
Hello.
You're on camera.
Hello. Over there, Rick.
Get cold, Charlotte?
Okay, we're going now.
Alright. Be careful.
Yeah, I'll try.
Have fun.
How long of a practice you gonna have?
How long of a practice are we gonna have, Jeffrey?
No idea.
No idea. Open the truck. Driving on the road, going up a hill. There's people on the sidewalk, going down the hill.
I'm trying to rip off that song.
Oh, wait, what song?
Right into this world.
Oh, I wasn't even thinking of that.
That's what it sounded like, though.
That song was sending subliminal messages. It stuck in my head.
Not you.
I know.
No love. You know, it's open.
Yeah, but you're not driving, you're gonna drive through. You're gonna drive through one. Okay.
Yeah, but the key's still neat.
Prototype. Far Cry. Prototype Diablo. No difference?
Did you get another haircut, Sherlyn?
No, I'm just letting it grow on the side.
That's good. She looks half Asian right now.
Action!
Come on, buddy. When you stop my house, I was gonna grab your balls from behind. No, you got a filter. I got choke.
I can't even see.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna do anything.
Oh, fail!
What level?
Boo.
What the fuck?
How many do you have left, Jeffrey?
Huh?
How many do you have left? You done?
Says it goes from half a vegetarian.
Doom.
You don't get red-eye.
That's a carry-on, that small one? Yep.
Sweet and sour sauce. On my birthday.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, my cousin lives right by your house, too, so it doesn't matter.
Get on out here.
Come around back, boy. Ryan, come back. Since I'm driving, you're taking my case.
I'm not carrying your case. Why?
Funny you can walk, though.
Why am I carrying your base? Huh?
Your bass. Your
Be
bass.
sitting on your lap, anyway, in the truck.
Dude, there's a
It's not sunny in here,
I'm not
Jeffrey.
chancing that. Not there,
Where
pedal to
Woo!
the floor.
that one sounds so good.
Do it again, do it
You was
again.
gonna show us to your mom and then
No, I'm not gonna show that to her.
get a slashing, boy.
Me and my dad were doing this today, though.
Okay,
And he was driving.
Pedestrians.
Run him over.
walking.
I was like, that's like a 1990 cell phone. Come on, Lacy, get up and do a trick. Oh, you should have seen.
Maury's got a good one.
Yeah. Jennifer's trying to get her to walk with the leash. Oh, she was just all over the place, popping over.
Backflips,
Yeah.
pulled out of it.
Doesn't like it.
No, she doesn't like it.
She doesn't understand it.
I'm like, you're gonna learn to love this one day. Every time I. No, Lacy. Oh my gosh. What is with you in the dirt?
Sure, that was her bed.
Yeah.
What is with you in the dirt? Where is it? Where is it?
Listen, she was frozen to the camera. Got a shot here. Uncle Fred was so worried that he was going to be a biter, right? Because he was too old.
No.
Puppy stuff.
No, this is just teething.
Yeah.
I'm not playing.
Yeah.
Can't do anything when I got about jaws,
Oh,
eh?
don't be mean to her.
Oh, I'm not mean. She's still trying to bite.
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting
Oh, yeah.
you're getting way too confident now.
He's also fine.
Way too confident now. What you do?
Ah.
What you do? What you do?
Yeah. Fight back.
What you do? What you do?
Those legs are going crazy.
wish I had that much fun with this dirt. Like, seriously.
Well, it's stuck together so hard, it's probably
Dirt bomb.
ball of shit or something.
No, don't say that.
Ah, her immune system will be there.
Oh, Jesus.
She knows that hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, that did hurt, didn't it?